another upgrade on my new new vehicle. Losi 5D. Got this nice differential from Taylor RC. Just put some 10,000 K oil on it. Looking good. We have all these nice parts from FID Racing. Not the best quality. They look good. All red. I will just drive it and run it and break it. And I will make it better as it goes. I install new dog bone, center dog bone here. This thing was, I bought this vehicle second-handed with all this stuff on it. This dog bone is new because the other one was broken. Was finished, was at the end of his life. But new one, this one, I'm going to use the same one because you see here's a little bit some wear here, but this is only on the outside. If you guys, you cannot see it. You cannot see it on the camera, but this is only on the outside, and the rest on the inside, the walls, they still look good. So I believe you still have some life on it to go. This very nice aluminum differential. This is bulletproof. A little bit too much. Maybe it's not necessary, but it looks great, right? And otherwise maybe if I decide to put a bigger car on it, bigger motor, I mean, then probably you will need something very more heavy duty. So yeah, I did this because I had to take the motor out. I had a problem with the motor. The problem was that the piston, I had a seizure. A seizure. The piston is not good anymore. So I ordered the new parts. They're coming in. Going to rebuild the motor, rebuild the diff, new oil on it. The rest still looking okay. Still looking good. The place is going to sorry, but I cannot do it on camera. Only with one hand. I need to lift up this. Or maybe I can do it. Lift it up a little bit. Just put it in. I'm going to mess up this with one hand. As you can see, just need to slide it in, then put the rest, the upper thing on it. Put this on top. Just loosen up, you see. Just need to put it as it goes like that. Will be quite easy to do it. Then when I have the parts, I will just mount the motor, and we're ready to go again. This nice AGFRC horn with this high voltage servo from Savox. It's good. Still have some life on it. Still going strong. Just leave it on. If it breaks, I have something nice from the same brand. Just break it and make it better as you go. Some Fonzie stir knuckles. We'll be getting those also. That's the way to go, I guess. With these kind of fifth skills cars. This thing is fast, man. Yep.